Stash App Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but choosing the right investment platform in 2025 can make a huge difference in your financial growth and peace of mind. Today, we're diving deep into Stash, a platform that promises to make investing simple, accessible, and educational. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Stash is worth your time and money or if you should leave it. Let's start with the basics. Stash is a mobile-first investing and banking platform that targets beginner investors and those looking for simple, low-cost options to build wealth. Founded in 2015, it has grown into a popular app with over 6 million users, and in 2025, it continues to focus on accessibility, education, and automation. Here's what Stash brings to the table. 1. Account types. Stash offers individual taxable investment accounts, retirement accounts like traditional and Roth IRAs, custodial accounts for minors, and even a checking account with a debit card. This makes it an all-in-one platform for beginners who want to combine banking and investing. 2. Investment options. You can invest in individual stocks, ETF, and themed portfolios called bundles. These bundles group multiple investments around a common goal, like green energy, technology, or social impact. For beginners, bundles are a way to diversify without the stress of picking each stock individually. 3. Minimum investment. Most brokerage accounts require significant starting capital, but Stash allows users to start investing with as little as $1. This low barrier to entry makes it ideal for students, young professionals, or anyone hesitant to commit large sums upfront. You won't believe how many beginners start small and build substantial portfolios over time. 4. Recurring investments. Stash encourages automation by allowing recurring investments, weekly or monthly contributions, which can help you harness the power of dollar cost averaging. This is crucial in volatile markets because it reduces the impact of short-term fluctuations and builds wealth steadily. 5. Education and guidance. One of Stash's standout features is its focus on financial literacy. The app provides articles, tutorials, and guidance for users who want to understand investing fundamentals. Most beginner investors get this wrong. They skip education and end up making emotional decisions. Stash nudges you toward learning while investing. 6. Banking features. Stash offers a debit card, direct deposit, and roundups, which invest your spare change automatically. This feature helps you invest without thinking about it, turning everyday purchases into micro-investments. In 2025, with increased cashless spending, roundups can accumulate surprisingly fast. 7. Fees. Here's a critical point. Stash charges a monthly subscription fee rather than a percentage of assets under management. In 2025, fees are structured as follows. Stash Beginner, $3/month access to investing, banking, and educational tools. Stash Growth, $6/month includes retirement accounts and stock-backed IRA features. Stash Plus Premium, $9/month advanced features like family accounts and personalized investing guidance. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate the impact of flat fees versus AUM fees, especially for small balances. With a $100 balance, a $3/month fee equals 36% annualized, so you need to scale up your investments to make the platform cost-effective. 8. Mobile experience. The Stash app is user-friendly, with a clean interface and intuitive navigation. Setting up recurring investments, checking balances, or browsing educational content is straightforward, making it ideal for mobile-first users. Now, let's dive into some limitations. Cost for small balances. As mentioned, the flat monthly fee can disproportionately affect small portfolios. For users with less than $500 invested, fees can eat into returns significantly. In contrast, other robo-advisors may charge a percentage of assets under management, which scales with your portfolio and is more cost-efficient at lower balances. Limited advanced tools. For intermediate or advanced investors, Stash lacks in-depth research tools, tax loss harvesting, or complex order types. If your goal is active trading or professional-level analysis, this platform might feel limiting. No commission-free trading outside app. While Stash allows investing in stocks and ETFs, it's not as flexible as a full-service broker in terms of trading options. Some competitors may offer more robust features without extra fees. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine John, a college student with $50 to invest each month. Using Stash Roundup feature and recurring contributions, he invests $60 per month on average over 10 years, assuming an average annual return of 7%. John's investments could grow to about $10,000. The flat $3/month fee in the early years reduces returns slightly, but as his balance grows, the fee becomes negligible relative to the portfolio value. This demonstrates how Stash is ideal for long-term growth with small, consistent contributions. Another powerful feature is the ** Stash Retire ** option. You can open a traditional or Roth IRA, and Stash provides guidance on contribution limits and tax advantages. For young investors in 2025, starting an IRA early can dramatically increase retirement savings through compounding interest. Stash also emphasizes socially responsible investing. Bundles like clean energy or gender equality allow investors to align their money with personal values. While returns can vary, this feature resonates with younger demographics prioritizing impact alongside profit. Here's a comparison with competitors in 2025. Acorns also targets micro-investing with roundups and automated contributions. Acorns charges $3/5/month, similar to Stash, but lacks the flexibility to invest in individual stocks. Stash may be better for users who want more control over stock selection. Robinhood offers commission-free trading with no monthly fees, appealing to users with larger balances or active trading strategies. However, it lacks educational resources and automated roundups, making it less beginner-friendly. Betterment a robo-advisor, with AUM-based fees typically 0.25% annually, offering tax loss harvesting and advanced portfolio management. Betterment is cost-effective for larger balances but less approachable for beginners or those wanting micro-investing features. Now, let's talk about ** security and insurance **. Stash accounts are SIPC insured up to $500,000, protecting against brokerage failure, not market losses. Banking features through Stash Bank are FDIC insured, so your deposits up to $250,000 are safe. Security in 2025 also includes two-factor authentication, biometric login, and encryption features that Stash supports robustly. Tips for maximizing Stash. 1. Start small. Be consistent. Even $5, $10 per day via roundups can grow over time. Consistency is more important than initial deposit size. 2. Leverage educational content. Read articles and tutorials to understand ETFs, stocks, and retirement accounts. Knowledge compounds just like money. 3. Use bundles strategically. If you have a specific goal, like saving for a green energy fund, invest in a bundle that aligns with that purpose, while diversifying risk. 4. Consider growth plan. Once your portfolio grows beyond a few $100s, upgrading to Stash Growth or Premium may provide additional retirement benefits and family account features that enhance long-term wealth building. So, is Stash worth it or leave it? For beginners, students, and those new to investing, Stash is highly worth it in 2025. Its low minimums, educational resources, automated features, and mobile-first experience make investing approachable. However, for those with larger balances, seeking advanced trading tools, or wanting the lowest possible fees, alternative platforms may be more cost-effective. In conclusion, Stash app in 2025 is more than just an investing platform. It's an introduction to financial literacy, a tool for disciplined investing, and a bridge to long-term wealth. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the importance of starting early and automating investments. By starting small, using bundles and leveraging education, you can turn even minimal contributions into meaningful financial growth. For anyone ready to take the first step into investing, Stash is a practical, beginner-friendly choice.